Hey guys, coming to you from the mighty, mighty Midwest. Let's chat about GameStop, AMC, and the other stock that has been going up in value. So, this is a very interesting story to me because I follow the markets, and I will start out by saying that I am not involved in a hedge fund, nor am I involved in the online community that has pushed these stocks up. The main thing I wanted to point out with this is the hedge funds. Now they can make money all day long by naked short selling. So I would assume most of you know what short selling is, but let's talk about what naked short selling is. So naked shorting is the illegal practice of short selling shares that have not been affirmatively determined to exist. Ordinary traders must borrow a stock or determine that it can be borrowed before they sell it short. However, hedge funds can naked short. And these guys have been busted, baby. So for example, if there's 100,000 shares available to short, a hedge fund may go in and short 130,000. Now, how they do that, I don't know, but I would say that their game is up, and through social media, through Reddit, a Reddit thread of stocks. Let me see what the thread here was. Basically, these share prices have gone wild for AMC and GameStop. It has had GameStop has gone up 10,400%, and now NASDAQ says we will monitor wild price swings because that is our duty, even though we are not a regulatory agency. So basically, what this comes down to, if you're a hedge fund, you can gamble in the stock market, but if you're an ordinary investor and you figured out how the hedge funds operate, you're not allowed to gamble. The Reddit thread has been taken down. It's a sad day in America when the big boys can gamble, but the lower guys can't. The everyday Americans can't. Over the past week, the financial world watched in shock as GameStop stock rose to unthinkable levels. Even Elon Musk tweeted about it, pointing his 43 million followers to a link of the Reddit community investing in GameStop called R Reddit Wall Street Bets. By the close of regular trading Wednesday afternoon, the stock was $347.51 a share, up from the historic lows of $3.30 a share in the summer of 2019. And then in after-hours trading, it dropped more than 37%, only to rise again. Amid all this, the people behind Reddit Wall Street Bets hid it from public view, requiring people to ask for an invite into the group. Meanwhile, the popular chat app Discord banned the community outright after what it said were repeated violations of hate speech and rules, and not for discussing finance. So probably the only hate speech that came was from the hedge fund companies finding it out and bashing the investors. We're seeing a phenomenon that I have never seen before, said Jim Cramer. And GameStop could just be the start. It's insane. This may seem like an oddball story about Wall Street investors being overrun by excited social media users. For some, it's been fun to watch those investors get taken to the cleaners by a bunch of people posting rocket emojis saying GameStop shares will go to the moon. Yeah, it is kind of funny. But for some on Wall Street, it's the latest sign of how social media can upend everyday life. Twitter has changed the worlds of news and politics. YouTube and Instagram have blah, blah, blah. So now emboldened, Reddit communities are talking about taking on other companies that Wall Street is broadly betting against. So next, they're trying to push up BlackBerry stock. So anyways, Yep, that's what's going on. Kind of interesting to see. Over and out from the mighty, mighty Midwest.